Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. My name is Mansoor Salahuddin, and I am part of the ISCC board. I'm also the principal of the Sunday school. I've been involved with this community since its very inception in 1994 December. As you can see, we are in the process of construction. Our current construction update for this week is that we are completing the driveway leading up to the Sunday school. This driveway loops all the way around to the Sunday school and goes to the main building that will be our new masjid. We have a weekly target of collecting $4,000 for our construction project. I urge you to donate to our weekly target via Venmo, PayPal, online, or come to one of our events for fundraising. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.